everybody, I'd like to be very honest. I kind of feel nervous right now because, this place has a lot of bad impressions. Like, Peshawar, this place has a lot of, a lot of bad things has been said. Like, and now that I'm finally seeing it in my own eyes, I'm about to explore it. And again, I'm alone. Everybody, whether you like it or not, I'm finally welcoming you to the land of Patans. Uy, grabe, the people here are a lot. Like, really, it's chaos. It's like Divisoria. See? There are really a lot of people. Okay, you have to forgive me. My English is not working at this moment. It's past 7, and you know that. And nagkakagulo there. Let's stay away from there. Let's go somewhere else. Hello. It's okay, the video?
Yes.
Okay, good. You want selfie? Okay.
Okay.
Hindi mo kaya.